Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss the questions and answers of the 10th class poem, The Solitary Reaper, written by William Wordsworth. And the short questions and answers, I mean multiple choice, much choice questions are published by Orissa BSc Board named Pariksha Darpana. Could understand? Now let's move. This is the book published by BSc Board Orissa for the help of students who are going to appear 10th annual 10th exam 2021. So the name of the poem is the Solitary Reaper. Solitary means ନିର୍ଜନ ଏକୁଟିଆ reaper ମାନେ ଅମଳକାରୀ. And the name of the poet is William Wordsworth. Wordsworth. Multiple choice questions. MCQ. Question number 1. The poem The Solitary Reaper is written by A. C.F. Alexander, B. William Wordsworth, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Rabindranath Tagore. Which is correct? William Wordsworth. That is William Wordsworth. Wordsworth. Right. Next question is, what is the central idea of the poem? आर मुख्य विषय वस्तु कौन? ए. Reapers can sing like birds. Reapers अमलकारी माने can sing like birds. Sweet music appeals to all. मधुर संगीत मूर्छना. Sweet music means appeals निवेदन आवेदन करे to all समस्त. मधुर संगीत मूर्छना समस्त हृदय को स्पर्श करे आवेदन करे निवेदन करे. सी. ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपीरियंस. एक्सपीरियंस मीन अनुभूति सुंदर अनुभूति. हैव ए लॉन्ग लास्टिंग इफेक्ट. दीर्घ दिन प्रभाव पकई थाए. रिच हार्वेस्ट. प्रचुर अमल. हार्वेस्ट मीन्स अमल. मेक्स द रिपेयर हैप्पी. अमलकारी को खुशी कराए. So, which is the correct answer?
Number C.
C. Beautiful experiences, sundara anubhuti, have a long lasting effects. दीर्घ स्थायी प्रभाव हृदय दीर्घ स्थायी प्रभाव पकई थाए. So, number C is correct, right? What did I say? Number C is correct. Number C. Next one is, the setting of the poem is days. The Arabian deserts, Arab, Marubhumi, deserts means Marubhumi. The British Isles, Islands, Khidra Diva Samuha. The Hebrides Islands, the mountain range of Scotland. The mountain ranges of mountain regions. Anchola, regions means Anchola. Parvati Anchola, mountain regions means Parvati of Scotland. Which is correct? Number 3. Number D is correct. Thank you. That's like a
good boy.
Yeah. What is the girl doing by herself? Singing, playing, creeping, reaping and singing, binding the grain. Which is correct? Number C is correct. Number C is reaping means amala karchi and singing. Gita gauchi. Next one is, that is, question number 5. What does the poet ask his co-travelers to behold? तांकर सहयात्री मानक behold means देखा कौन देखा कहले. the mountain regions of Scotland. B. The beautiful cornfields. C. The solitary reaper in the field. D. The nightingale. Which is the correct answer? C is the correct answer. 5. C is the correct answer. Thank you. Next one is that is why does the poet ask his co-travelers to stop there or gently pass? କବି ତାଙ୍କର ସହଯାତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କୁ କାହିଁକି ଅଟକିବାକୁ କିମ୍ବା ଧୀରେ ଯାତ୍ରା କରିବାକୁ କହିଲେ? A. Because they are tired. B. Because the poet himself is tired. Tired means Klanta. C. Because the solitary reaper may be disturbed and she may stop her singing. Because the poet wants to enjoy the beauty of the highland. No. Number C is correct. Could understand? Number C is correct. Next question is 7. What kind of song is the girl singing? A. Thrilling Pullaka Lomo Tankura. Or B. That is B. B. Sorrowful. Next C. Pleasant. D. Melodious. Sangitika. Sangita Murchana Pradayaka.
Number B.
Number B, that is sorrowful. Dukkhadayaka. Right? The song was sorrowful. Question number 8. What is the valley overflowing? उछुली पड़िबा भित्ते उपत्यागाटी कौथिरे उछुली पड़ुथुला? A. Water. B. Sounds of the animals. C. Song of the solitary pair. D. Twittering with the birds. Twitter means kichiri with the shabda.
C.
Wait. Twittering means kichiri with the shabda. So, but correct answer is C. Song of the solitary pair. Could you understand? Yes. Next one is that is question number 9. Which word does not express the solitariness ନିର୍ଜନତା of the reaper? ଅମଳକାରୀର ନିର୍ଜନତାକୁ ଏହା ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କେଉଁ ପଦଟା ପ୍ରକାଶ କରୁନି? ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ମିନ୍ସ solitary, lone, alone refers to solitary, solitary refers to solitary, yon means yonder means over there, head side. Yon means yonder, it is the short form of yonder. Why? Wait, just one. YONDER. Yonder means yon means short form of yonder. Its meaning is over there. Over there. Right? Over that head side. Over here means height 80. Could you understand? So, right answer is
number D.
Number D is the right answer. This is the word which does not express solitariness of the reaper. Okay, thank you. Number D is correct. Okay, done. Next one is 10. What echoes ପ୍ରତିଧ୍ୱନିତ କରୁଛି the sound of the reaper's song. ସେଇ ଯେଉଁ ଅମଳକାରୀର ଶବ୍ଦଟାକୁ ପ୍ରତିଧ୍ୱନିତ କିଏ କରୁଛି? The narrow hill. B. The valley. C. The cornfield. D. The snow-covered mountain. Which is correct? Yes, tell B. B is the valley. Could you understand?
Yes.
Next one is okay. Next one is 11. Who sings welcome notes? Swagata Sangita. Welcome notes means Swagata Sangita. A. The Kako. B. The nightingale. C. The solitary reaper. D. The weary tablets. Very Patha Santa. Which is
Number B.
Number B. Who sings welcome notes? Number 11. It is 11 number B, the nightingale.
Yes.
Right? Next one is which country does the solitary reaper belong to? ସେ କେଉଁ ଦେଶର? England, B Scotland, C Arab, D France. Which is correct?
Number B.
Number B, that is Scotland. Could understand? That is Scotland. Scotland. Next one, 13. Where do the nightingales sing? In the river Isles, among the hybrids, in the mountain regions of Scotland, in the oasis Marudyana, oasis among Arabian. Which is correct? Tell me. Number 13, that is D.
D.
In the oasis of Arabian desert. Sands. Sands means Arabian desert. Okay. Number D is correct. Thank you. Next one is 14. For whom do the nightingales sing? A. For the poet. B. For the passers-by, pathika. Passers-by means pathika. C. The tide travelers, ପଥଶାନ୍ତ ଯାତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ. The solitary girl.
Number C.
Number C. For the tide travelers, ପଥଶାନ୍ତ ପଥିକ ପାଇଁ ଗାଉଛନ୍ତି. ଓକେ, ତାଙ୍କର କଷ୍ଟ ଲାଭ ଟୁ ଲେସନ୍ ଦେଇରେ strain. Next one is question number 15. Where do the tide travelers take rest? Among the farthest Hebrides. B. In the oasis among the Arabian deserts. C. Highland of Scotland. D. Deep Valley. Which is correct? Number 15. Number 15 is number B, that is in the oasis among the Arabian deserts. You know, I have told you, oasis means Marudyana. Right? Among Arabian deserts means Marubhumi. Next question is, what does Shady Haunt refer to? A. Deep Valley. B. Highland. C. Oasis. D. Island. Which is correct?
Number C.
C. That is Oasis. Oasis means what? What did I say? Marubhumi. A Marudyana. Sorry. That is a Marudyana. Right? Next question is 17. When does the cuckoo bird sing? In autumn. B. In spring. Right? What did I say? Next one is
In summer.
in summer, in winter. Which is correct?
Number B.
Number B, that is in spring. Okay. Next one is 18. Where does the cuckoo sing? A. In the deep valley, in the highlands, in the shady haunt, among the farthest hybrids. Which is correct?
Number D is correct.
Number D is correct. What did I say? Number D is correct. Next. 19. What breaks the silence? नीरव किए भंग करे of the sea? A. The song of the nightingale. The song of the cuckoo. C. The solitary reaper's song. The sound of the sea. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number C.
Number C, that is the solitary reaper's song. Yes. Next 20. Whose voice is most thrilling? Thrilling means pulokadayaka. Lomo tankura. So, hair standing. The nightingale. A. The nightingales. B. The cuckoos. C. The solitary reapers. D. The poets. Which is correct? C.
C.
The solitary reapers. 21. William Wordsworth was born on 7th April. Wait, 1 minute. 7th April 1970. B. 17th April 1770. C. 17th April 1870. D. 17th April 1870. Which is correct? Number A is correct. Number A is correct. Right. 22. The expression plaintive numbers means A. Some figures. B. Some pleasant experiences. सुखदायक अनुभूति. सैड म्यूजिक. डी. अनप्लीजेंट मेमोरी. असुखदायक स्मृति. व्हिच इज करेक्ट? नंबर सी. सैड म्यूजिक. सैड म्यूजिक. Next one is which of the following is not the theme of the girls' song? A. Old, unhappy and far off things. Battles fought long ago. Familiar matter of today. Beautiful experience of her life. So I think the answer is D. 23. D. Right?
Yes.
Yes. This is not the theme of the poem. Next, 24. What does the poet carry with him while going up the hill? A. Luggage. B. Tie. Music of the girl. The food. Number 24. Is this number 24?
Yes.
Yes. No, this is not tie. This is the music. Okay, this is wrong.
The music.
The music of the solitary girl. C. The food. D. His breakfast. Which is correct? Tell me. 24.
B.
Number B is correct. The music of the solitary girl. Right. What are you murmuring? 25. Which expression does not refer to the solitary girl? Maiden. Next. Maiden, Highland lass man young girl. Very wents, solitary and Highland lass. Which is correct?
Number C
Number C
is right.
is right. Very wents. Right? Number C. Next one is 26. What does the poet mean to say as if her song could have no ending? A. Her song is too long to end. B. She keeps on singing and seems not to. Tell me. This is 26. Not to end. That is end. Right. The poet does not want the song to end. D. The song contains an everlasting universal theme which recycles. जोटा कि पुनः चक्रण होची. Everlasting हेले चिर स्थायी. तो everlasting universal सार्वजनीन थीम विषय वस्तु. So, which is correct? Tell me.
Number D.
D is correct. Yes, D is correct. Could you understand? Right, thank you. Next one is 27. The poet listens motionless and still because nirav nischal hoikiri ଶୁଣୁଛନ୍ତି and still because the rich melodious voice melodious ରେ ସ୍ୱର ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛନା ସ୍ୱର ମଧୁର ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛନା ସ୍ୱର of the singer melodious ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛନା ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛନା voice ସ୍ୱର of the singer holds him mesmerized ବିଭୋର ଆତ୍ମବିଭୋର କରିଦେଇଥିଲା and spellbound aback. Right? B. He was tired after walking uphill. C. He wanted to learn. This is learn. This is learn. Could you understand? RN. Learn. The words and the rhythm. Rhythm means tala of the song. D. He is rooted to the spot. से जो जगह छिड़ा ହେଇଥିଲେ ସେଇଠି ଚେର ଲାଗିଲା ଭଳିଆ ରହିଯାଇଥିଲେ ମାନେ by the girl's beauty. So which is correct?
Number A.
Number A is correct. Yes, number A is correct. So what is the A? Tell me. A rich melodious voice. This is A. Right? Okay, thank you.
Number 20.
Next one is 28. What was the girl reaping the corn with? X spade. X means kuradi. Spade means kodi. Kodalo. Sickle means da. Harvester means ଅମଳକାରୀ ଯନ୍ତ୍ର. So which is correct?
Number C.
Sickle. Sickle ଦାରେ ସେ କାଟୁଛି. Right. Thank you. Da. Next, how did the poet listen to the song? To the song. A. Without stopping. B. Walking slowly. C. Motionless and still. D. Walking very fast. Which is correct?
Number
Tell me.
C is correct.
Number C is correct. Motionless. Nirav nischala. Thank you. 30. Where did the poet bear the music? A. In his mind. B. In his body. C. In his soul. D. In his heart. Which is correct? Tell me. Number 30 is
Number
D.
D.
D in his heart. Right. Next. Who does Wordsworth compare the solitary reaper to? A. The cuckoo. B. Nightingale. C. Both cuckoo and nightingale and others. Right? Could you understand? Which is correct? Tell me. Number C.
Number C is correct.
Yeah, both.
Both.
Yeah.
Number C.
Yes, you are right. What are the hybrids? A group of trees. No, it's not. Far up valleys. No, it's not. Desert. No, it's not. A group of islands in the west coast of Scotland.
Number D is correct.
Dipa. Island means Dipa. Right? Wait. Next one is whatever the theme, the maiden sang. Here, a maiden refers to the solitary reaper. The poet, passerby, patika is sweet singing bird. So it is maiden refers to the solitary reaper, and number 1 is correct. Number A is correct.
Number A is correct.
Number A is correct. Right? Thank you. Next one is the poet imagines as if the reapers have no A. meaning, B. ending, C. rhythm, D. sound. Correct answer is B. ending.
Number B is
Yes, no ending. The song has no ending. Next one is end over the bending. A. corn. This is not a common, that this is corn. RN. corn. B. sickle. Corn means sasya. Sickle means da. X means kuradi, body, sharira. So end over the bending.
Number B is
Number
right.
B is correct.
Yeah, number B is right. Thank you. Next, at last the poet mounted up the A. Tree, B. Valley, C. Hill, D. Highland. Which is correct? 36. C.
Number C is
Hill.
correct.
Mounted hill ଚଢ଼ିଲେ ପର୍ବତ ଚଢ଼ିଲେ ପର୍ବତ ଆରୋହଣ କଲେ. Next, long after it was heard no more. Here is here it refers to A. The music of the solitary girl, the song of the nightingale, the song of the cuckoo, the sound of the passerby.
Number
A
A.
is correct. Yes, you are right. Thank you. Next one is Oh, listen for the vale profound. The poet says so to the days. The co-travelers, the solitary girl, himself, the people working in the cornfield. No, the number one, this is also A, right? 38. This is 38. Could understand? A? A. Okay. Next one is A 39. Some natural sorrow, loss or death that has been and may be again. A. Battle. B. For of things. C. Humble lay. D. Pain. Which is correct?
D.
D is correct.
Correct.
Humble. D. Pain. Okay. Next. 40. Or is it some more humble days, familiar matter of today? Which? Lay. B. Lie. C. Persons. D. Singers. Which is correct?
Number B is right.
Lie.
A.
This is
Number
a
A.
40 A. Number A. Number A is correct.
correct.
Thank you.
Yes.
Next one is 41. For old unhappy, for of things and days long ago. A. War. B. Battles. C. Fighting. D. Revolt. Which is correct?
Number B.
Number B. Battles. Right?
Battles.
Yeah. Next one is 42. The poem The Solitary Reaper is one of the poet's finest nature's song. Lyrics Hymen. This is no. Hymen. Stuti. Bhajan. Folk poetry. Which is correct?
Number B.
Number
B is
B is correct. Lyrics. क्षुद्र कविता. लिरिक्स मीन्स क्षुद्र कविता. नेचर्स सॉन्ग प्रकृति गीत. हाइमेन्स स्तुति स्तव भजन. folk poetry लोकगीत लोक कविता. Next one is what effect does the girl's song have over the surrounding? से परिवेश चतुर्दिगरे कौन प्रभाव पकईथिला? A. has no effect. B. all people desert the valley छाड़ी पलैबा. The valley echoes. Valley means उपत्यका. Echoes प्रतिध्वनित होउतला. Echoes means प्रतिध्वनित with the song. The valley is indifferent. उपत्यका उदास थिला. So which is correct?
Number C is correct.
Number C is correct. Number C is correct. Next question is 44. Perhaps both way. The plaintive numbers flow. Underlined words means what? Sad song, deep song, sad music, ordinary song. Which is correct? Tell me. 44. C. Sad music. Could understand? Next 45. Or is it some more humbly familiar matter of today? It in the expression refers to A. the valley, B. the song, C. the solitary reaper, D. hair dress. Which is correct? Tell me. 45.
45.
B is correct.
Number B is right.
Yeah. B is. Next one is 46. Humble means A song about ordinary events, a song about extraordinary things. See, a song about a modest thing, a song about rich people. Which is correct? Number A is
right.
correct.
Yes.
Yeah, correct. Okay. Thank you. With that is the end of today's MCQ, multiple choice question session, English session. We shall discuss the other poems and prose in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
Issue
It's
okay.
okay.